Morning everyone, I am Sheikh Tuba from AIG Degree College of Science and I am here to talk to you about role of government staff in COVID-19 situation. We all know that the outbreak of COVID has affected over 180 countries, infecting more than 10 million people all over the world. On March 11, 2020, World Health Organization declared COVID-19 outbreak as a pandemic and told the countries to take immediate action against it. So our government of India is also taking all necessary steps to ensure that we are prepared well to face the challenge. We all know that India has confirmed more than 2 million cases, making it the world's second worst hit country. The most important factor in preventing the spread of virus locally is to empower the citizens with the right information. From frontline healthcare workers and public health officials, from doctors to healthcare workers to teachers to government employees such as police, all have come together to fight in this severe time against COVID 19. In the ongoing COVID 19, these workers are confronting a dangerous, highly infectious virus just to protect us. In the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic, however, public servants are working under life threatening circumstances. Many government staff have put their lives at risk in order to continue serving to public. These are some of the cases which have confirmed, which are active, and which have disease all throughout the India, such as Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Thane, Pune. The Indian government has so far followed the model from mid January onward, initiating travel restrictions and applying restrictions on social gathering and people coming from high risk countries, including China, Japan, Iran, and Italy. This is not the first time that India has done something for its citizens for our safety. About two-thirds of population will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. On June 30, PM Modi has announced to provide free ration to poor ration card holders to help them cope COVID-19 until the end of the November. Everyone under this scheme will get 5 kg of wheat and rice for free in addition to the current 5 kg allocation for the next 3 months. In addition, 1 kilogram of preferred pulse will be given for free to each household under this food scheme for next 3 months. This distribution will be done through public distribution scheme and can be availed in 2 installments. Farmers currently receive 6,000 every year through the PM Kisan scheme, which defines family as husband, wife, and a minor children. The fund of 2,000 is directly transferred to the bank account of farmer's family in 3 equal installments. Workers are also given 182. Such increase will benefit 50 million families. The wage increase will amount into an additional income of 2,000 per worker. 30 million senior citizens, widows, disabled to get one-time extra gratia amount to 1,000 in two installments over the next 3 months. And also 200 million women Jan Dhan account holders to be given extra gratia amount of 500 per month for the next 3 months to run the affair of their households. According to Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, women below poverty line will get free cooking gas cylinders for 3 months, and state government have been directed to use the welfare fund for building and construction workers. The center has worked states to use fund around 31,000 crore in state construction welfare fund under Building and Other Construction Welfares Act. The finance minister has announced medical insurance cover of rupees 5 million per healthcare worker. About 2 million health services and ancillary workers will benefit from such insurance scheme. Artificial respiration and other therapeutical respiration apparatus, face masks and surgical masks, personal protection equipment, COVID-19 testing kits. Government in India play an important role in bridging the access gap that saved millions at the bottom of the pyramids. As per circular issued by the Ministry of External Affairs, foreign nationals who were stranded in India during COVID-19 crisis and whose visa expired between 1 to 2020 and 34 2020 was granted an automatic extension of their visa. Regular visa of foreign nationals whose visa are expired till the date on international air travel of passengers from India is lifted by Government of India would be extended. The visa will be extended after making an online application for the same. As per our PM Modi's agenda, Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, for a long time India has maintained that it has covered the social and economic and dimensions of development and has focused on ending poverty in all forms. Thank you.